right. A little late here. I got this piece of driftwood. Just sanded it down. Got this other base for it. Sanded it down as well. I'm gonna make a little jewelry holder for Lauren here. So here I sanded this down already. Now I got some stain, and I'm getting ready to get paint. We'll see how it goes. Gotta refine it a little bit with this. Knock off some of the edges, make it look nice. Give you this. So I painted the bottom, some Anguilla colors. You can see it up against a different background. And it's gonna have it hold some jewelry. Here's the final product. Let me know what you think in the comments.